Good morning, guys. My friends, how are you doing? Well, I'm fine. I'm in Nancy and it's raining, but imagine there is a strike too. So buses are on strike, it's raining, I'm so tired. It's 7 a.m. and I have to go in the other side of the town. But hey, it's still so beautiful. Look at that. Yeah. So this is like the center of Nancy. Guys, I love this town. Although there is a strike and it's raining. It's raining a lot in Nancy. I have to go now because I have like class in half an hour. So wish me good luck this day and I hope you have a beautiful day, guys. Bye. Bye bye.